This is engineering summary update for the sprint ending on August 31st, 2021. So this sprint, we worked on task availability to site managers, plan management renewal, forms and workflows, panic button, miscellaneous, and gate flow. So for task availability to site managers, we have now the ability to send SMS on task creation and for custodian to see all tasks, as well as the ability for the head of security to be alerted when a task is created. We wanted to create a new user type called site workers, but we didn't get around to it as we ran out of time, and that is a task for next sprint. For plan management renewal, we added an auto-renew flag and a categories to plan. We worked on an automated routine for plan renewal. We also added a feature to edit the plan subscriptions. For forms and workflows, we worked on a contract amendment per category feature, which allows us to generate contracts, and the ability to display categories based on a previous choice. In terms of panic button, we are now able to send GPS coordinates with links to the maps in the SMS, and we didn't get around to work on designing management screen to manage emergency. In terms of miscellaneous tasks, we worked on moving the excess payment plan to a general plan when we make a payment, and the create label ability on the label management screen. We also fixed a map loading issue, although the load speed could be definitely improved. And we now have quick links on the dashboard. For GateFlow, we worked on a scheduled visit and event management, which forced us to introduce the concept of guest. And we worked on translating event log sentences, mostly in Spanish. Next sprint, well, we are going to create a new user tab called Site Worker. For GateFlows, we want resident client admin to be able to create their own guest list, and guests will have their own QR code, and we want to be able to email and or SMS a QR code to the guest so that they can use their QR code at the gate. In terms of miscellaneous, we need to make the labels more multi-tenant, and we absolutely need to decrease our known vulnerabilities. For forms and workflows, there is a custom form bug where the form sometimes is unresponsive. For plan management renewal, we want to improve the automated plan creation routine that we created this sprint, and we want to add the renewable flag for the plans on the plan creation screen, which right now it's only on the edit screen. We want to move the general funds payment when merging users and the ability to send email for plans that contains late payments. We will add the ability to search for individual plans by amounts in arrears and late installments, and we will be sending bulk emails. So this sprint, we had 32 merge requests, which is a little bit more than last sprint. We had 49 issues in the sprint. We completed 39, and we have 10 remaining opens. In terms of code coverage, it has not moved from the previous sprint. The highlights and the lowlights, this is great. We are building more gate access features that will be used for all clients. I'm very excited about it personally. We will also be getting a handle on known vulnerability next sprint. We're still struggling a little bit in getting all the designs ready for the following sprint, but we are making a little bit of progress. And congratulations, Olivier. Olivier has been promoted to senior software engineer. In terms of code coverage, we are still below our goal, which is 80%, and we are at now 77%. In terms of merge requests, we are above our goal. Our goal was 28 merge requests, and we are at 32. In terms of security, for known vulnerabilities, we are at 111 non vulnerabilities, and our goal is 10.